we talk about being packed to the rafters, well, we mean it mga kaibigan. Today's attendance, 17,045. Ang normal standing room sa Araneta Coliseum is 16,600. And today, we are more than standing room. At kami po ay nagpapasalamat muli sa inyo lahat sa pagtangkilik, sa patuloy niyong pagtangkilik ng Bayan ng Superstars.
Again, partner, Barangay Ginebra taking too long to set the table. Ito yung tira. Yes!
Miski anong bangga kay Meneses, naibato pa rin niya laban kay Bernard Tanpua. At ang Barangay Ginebra ngayon, tatlo na ang abante, 17-14.
Magandang pacing ng Barangay Ginebra, partner. Nakaupo ngayon si Val David, nakaupo si June Limpot. At ano ito?
Offensive foul na naman. Laban sa Batang Red Bull. And this will go against Tanpua. His first personal foul. Dito na lumalabas yung
Rookie mistake si Kanga,
pagiging bagito nito mga to sa PBA. Of course, they're veterans sa PBL, pero iba pa rin ang laro pagdating dito sa Bayan ng Superstars.
Ito si Meneses, patuloy siyang nagdadala ng bola para sa Barangay Ginebra.
At yung movement ng Barangay Ginebra, kinito patuloy ang galaw nila.
Well, crisper ang kanilang galaw ngayon.
Oo, pinilit yun however ni Will Marong. Napulot ni Ignadice ang loose ball. They have a fresh 24, a minute gone by in the second quarter. And there's another foul here. Tanpua will pick up another one.
At medyo na-frustrate na yata ito si Bernard Tanpua. Sabi ni Berel Meneses, relax ka lang, kid.
Unang laro mo pa lang to. Marami ka pang maharap dito na mas mabigat pa sa akin.
Partner, nare-recognize naman ng coaching staff ng Barangay Ginebra. Nagkakaroon ng mismatch dun sa loob, no? Especially with Berhel Meneses. You need to double him when he's there down low. Eto na si Meneses, he's not being double teamed and he's going to get away with another 2 points. Yes!
Patay na.
Kung hindi mo i-double team ito si Berhel Meneses, he is going to score.
He is as quick as a cat underneath, and Tanpua was just lost on defense. And sinabi ni Yeng Giao, sabi niya, my biggest matchup problem today will be against Berhel Meneses, and certainly it is beginning to show now. 6 points for the aerial Voyager. Tanpua, babawiin kaya? Yes, he does. Nakita natin some of the numbers or statistics brought to you by Quick Tight, the all-in-one glue.
Partner, nice shooting touch coming from Tanpua, partner. Maganda yung tira ni Tanpua, showing a nice stroke from medium range.
Another one of those brought up by Batang Red Bull. 19-16 ang ating talaan. Here's Meneses again against Tanpua. Faking. Nowhere to go, and there's going to be a held ball. Nice defense that time by Tanpua.
Well,
not backing up, not backing down.
Partner, ang nangyari doon, Meneses stopped his dribble and he was still away from the basket. Kanya medyo malayo pa siya.
Head and shoulder fake, and he is gone. Wow. Meneses, alam niya na this year, Kinito, will be the year that he will have to carry this Barangay Ginebra team.
Totoo yan. At meron naman siya mga kasama, no? June Limpot, Val David. Both of them are still sitting on the bench.
Taas lundag ni Meneses, natapik ang bola patungo kay Alex Crisano. Abante po ang Ginebra ng tatlo, 19-16. Crisano. Parang they have a triangle of their own, ha?
Exactly, partner. Nakita yata ni Coach Alan Caydic. Ito si Wilmer Ong, medyo mabagal sa takbo ng laro ng Barangay Ginebra offense. Kanya niya pinalitan si Ong with Crisano.
That would have been a spectacular shot from Ronald Magtulis kung pumasok yung kanina. Nonetheless, bola ng Batang Red Bull. Narito si Chris Colado sa tuktok. Torion. Going inside. Pass inside. Pero nakatapak sa linya si Kirby Raimundo. Sayang. Dahil ang ganda ng pasa ni Torion.
Well, partner, kung titignan natin ang lineup ni Coach Yeng Giao on the floor, no, he always makes sure that he has either Ato Agustin or Glenn Capasio inside to provide the steadying influence.
Di pa natin nakikita si
Edmund
Reyes, isa pang veterano na galing sa Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs. Kuha nila sa dispersal draft.
Yes, yung isang pinili din nila sa expansion draft, ito si Mar Morelos. He's still injured now. He won't be back in action till about June because he's undergoing rehab. Pero he has been released by Batang Red Bull.
Samantala si Bolado hinabol yung tira ni Alex Crisano. And that'll be his first personal foul. Our first close-up look at Alex Crisano. Big guy. Punong-puno ng tato. Parang si Dennis Rodman.
Oo nga, no?
Pero yung kanyang headgear, Ay parang si Chito Loizaga. Of course,
Foul shot inside.
He's got a wide body just to bang inside. Perfect fit for a big man dito sa PBA. As we take a look at Baldavid checking back in, Meneses will sit down.
Patuloy yung pagpalit ng tao, pero sandali. Si Meneses is about to check back in.
Kamali ata na papalitan. Samantala si Crisano converts both free throws. At ang abante ng Barangay Ginebra, 5 puntos with less than 9 minutes remaining sa second quarter. And there's going to be a foul laban kay Baldavid. You know, one thing I noticed about Torion is that as you see this ball hitting referee Bernie De Jos, parang ito si Torion would rather shoot first than pass. And that's something na maaari sigurong makorek niya as he's playing career proceeds dito sa PBA.
Well, on the positive side naman, nakikita natin dito kay Torion, partner, yung kanyang lightning quick first step.
At walang takot.
Oo, once he takes that twirl and on that first step, using the wide pick from his teammate, he's gone.
One thing about him also is playing with low-cut rubber shoes. As we take a look at our quick tight numbers here. And there's another shot inside. Finally, Kirby Raimundo gets away para sa kanyang unang 2 puntos dito sa PBA.
Well, nakita natin sa graphic natin, 5 turnovers na itong Batang Red Bull as against only 1 ng Barangay Ginebra. Here's the shot from the outside.
In and out para kay Baldavid. 3 puntos ang abante ng Barangay Ginebra pero nasa atake ang Batang Red Bull. Volado, the lucky charm. He goes inside and he's fouled by Alex Crisano. That will be number 3 now on Alex Crisano.
Tatlo na yan, partner. Kita mo naman ang ngiti ni Chris Volado. He fished for that foul. Crisano, siya palagay ko, pinakamalaking player ng Barangay Ginebra.
That's true.
And he is in foul trouble now.
At pupunta sa linya si Chris Volado. Jumbo Volado. He'd rather be called lucky, and why not? Volado had 10 straight PBA final stints. Unbelievable for a role player like Chris Volado. 10 straight with Alaska, Purefoods, and Ginebra from 1994 up to 1997. Of course, kasama rin siya ng San Miguel last year when they won a championship sa Governor's Cup. And of course, Yeng Giao, the rest of the coaching staff and management of Batang Red Bull is hoping that he will bring his lucky charm to Batang Red Bull this year. 21-18, score remains with a 3-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. Junjun nasa labas, 7 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Lob pass, Meneses could not handle that one. Tignan short stab, wala. Picked up by Torion. Bounce pass para kay Glenn Capasio. Off the glass pero masyadong matulis. Outlet, Meneses, open court. Here's the aerial Voyager! Yes!
And that's what he does best, partner, in the open court. Vergel Meneses eluding the defense. Kita mo naman ang kanyang hang time.
Maybe the best in the open court. Vergel Meneses. Oh, miscommunication between Volado and Torion. Again, Abante Silimpot loses the handle, however, as he looked at the basket before catching the ball, and it'll be a turnover laban sa Barangay Ginebra.
Partner, yung pasa ni Torion, no? Supposed to be for Chris Volado. I think Torion should realize that ito si Volado may not be as quick as him, as fast as him, no?
Totoo yan.
Medyo forward passing ang ginawa ni Torion. Dapat medyo he should realize the assets of his teammates, no?
Naku, ito na naman.
Naku, offensive foul.
Alam mo, 3 na yan na offensive foul mula sa Batang Red Bull.
Talsik, partner. Talsik si Baldavid.
Pag tumama ka naman talaga sa pader, mahirap na hindi ka tumalsik. Panoorin natin nito, ha? Panoorin niyo si Chris Volado at si Baldavid. Parang goma o parang bolang tumama sa pader. Tumalbog na lamang si Baldavid, and Chris Volado will pick up his second foul. As we take a look at Lordy Tugade checking in for the first time para sa Batang Red Bull. Of course, bumalik na rin sa panig ng Batang Red Bull si Devon Harp. Here's Meneses. Turning around, missing that one. Offensive rebound. Magtulis is underneath. Nowhere to go.
Tama yung ginawa ni Magtulis, partner, no?
Wala siyang makitang basket. Puro kamay. Limpot with a fake. Gets away from his man. Pero wala. Alam mo, Barangay Ginebra, nagpapakita dito ng iba't ibang klaseng galaw, ha? They are all pumped up for this game. They're on top by 5 at the moment. Tugade at the post, pinasa kay Von Harp. Tugade with a jump shot. He has a touch from the outside. Missing that one and nakala with rebound. Mula kay Vergel Meneses.
Lakas ng rebound. Well, we all know ito si Vergel Meneses has that great leaping ability. Pero partner, despite the fact that itong batang Red Bull has been plagued by a lot of turnovers, they're down by only 5 points.
Lumalaban ng gusto-gusto. In and out. Well, that has also been ang rason kung bakit hindi makalayo ang Barangay Ginebra. The shooting has not been excellent actually.
Ito si Tampua.
In and out. 5 minutes and 40 remaining sa second quarter. Opening day, opening game of the 25th year ng Bayan ng Superstars. Mayang gabi, kaninyong tanan sa ating po mga kababayan sa Cebu City. Noli Yala po kasama si Kinito Henson. Meneses, binigay kay Dignadice. 2 seconds sa shot clock. Libre si David. Yes, sir! That's a 3-point conversion. Mula kay Val David. And that is just enough. Yang Giao has seen enough dahil ang Barangay Ginebra has an 8-point lead dito sa second quarter. Part of the crowd is over 17,000 crowd sa loob ng Big Dome. And Devon Harp finally gets a basket para sa batang Red Bull.
Partner, I think that is a play that Red Bull must concentrate on. Get the ball in the hands of the Harp inside. Ito, nakikita natin ang turnovers ng Red Bull at saka yung field goal percentage ng dalawang koponan.
Our statistics is brought to you by Quick Tide, the all-in-one glue. 11 seconds sa shot clock ng Barangay Ginebra. 4:45 remaining sa ikalawang yugto. Shot clock is down to 8.
Partner, napapansin natin dito, medyo babad sina Magtulis at saka si Dignadice.
Oh, bailout shot.
Oh, yes.
Trickle in.
Shooter's bounce ni Val David.
7 puntos para kay Flash. 8 points para kay Meneses, 8 points for Limpot, and that has been the big 3 for Barangay Ginebra today.
O partner, yung dalawang veterano ni Coach Yang Giao, nasa loob na naman, no? Agustin and Capasio. I think he realizes that rookies are committing too many turnovers. Ito,
Capasio sa kanto. Yan ang kailangan nila. They need a steady presence, and Glenn Capasio finally gets his first field goal, a 3-point shot.
alam mo, partner, magandang kombinasyon niya, no? If Capasio and Agustin wax hot from the outside and Devon Harp is unstoppable inside, well, it's going to be very tough for Barangay Ginebra to play defense. Ano ba ang concentration nila? Sa labas o sa ilalim?
Let's see anong tawag dito. Bola pa rin daw ng Barangay Ginebra. Handled last by Harp. With 3:51 remaining sa second quarter. Baseline inbound. 5 abante ng Barangay Ginebra. Batang Red Bull led kanina by as many as 4 points. But they trailed by 8 points just a while back.
Ito si Agustin ngayon ang tumatao kay Vergel Meneses, but they double team him.
Limpot faking Harp. But he will be called for steps.
At nakita natin, partner, yung dalawa nag-double team kay Vergel Meneses, yung dalawang veterano ni Coach Yang Giao, Capasio and Agustin, making sure that Vergel Meneses passed the ball instead of taking the shot from low post.
At mapupunan mo doon, Ginito, dinoble team lamang noong binaba ni Meneses yung bola. When he started this dribble, doon ni dinoble team.
Tama.
Here's Harp.
Ito, again, facing the basket.
11 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Kicks it out. Ngayon naman si Agustin. Siya naman ang bibira sa labas. Rebound, picked up by Dignadice.
Again, yung slow down game ng Barangay Ginebra.
A low-scoring opening day game. Abante po ang Ginebra ng 5 puntos. Lago. 7 seconds to shoot.
Taking too long, partner, itong Barangay Ginebra, ha?
Tumira na naman si Meneses. Short. Picked up by Dignadice sa baseline. He gets away pero tumapak siya sa linya. And that'll be a possession para sa batang Red Bull with 2:48 remaining sa second quarter.
Yan ang moving spirit ng Viva and now brings his expertise to Viva Vintage Sports.
At Agustin, hinaharap ni Val David sa Playatira. Look at Raimundo challenging for that one, and there's going to be a loose ball foul against Investignadice. That's the enthusiasm of youth.
Ito naman, coming from the outside, ito si Gerby Raimundo putting both his hands on the ball. Siguro dapat sabihin din natin, partner, itong batang Red Bull is not playing here in full force because meron silang isang bagong player na pangalan Michael Penisi, who stands 6'9", good outside shooter, who is waiting for his papers to be cleared by the Bureau of Immigration. At balita natin, his papers will be cleared any day now.
Pinisi ang pangalan, ha?
Yes, Penisi, he was born in Italy, Filipina mother, Italian father, then migrated to Australia, played in the Australian League partner, and also played for Eastern Michigan in the US.
Well, we're certainly going to expect that one. Samantala, si Verhel Menezes is getting away with that layup. Laban kay Ato Agustin. And Ginebra continues to lead by 5 with 1 minute and 45 remaining sa second quarter. Hart, hinaharap si Limpod. Pasa niya sa loob. Ang hirap na. Tugade will be called for steps. In traffic was that pass.
Nice defense by Barangay Ginebra. Nakita nila na may kakat doon to get the pass from Devon Harp.
Siya nga pala sa ating mga fans ng PBA, well, at the half, magkakaroon po tayo ng interview with, of course, our Commissioner Bernardino, to talk about the season opener and a lot of the new things that are in store for all of the PBA fans ngayong taong 2000. Samantala, there's a turnover here of an interception and a blocking foul. Laban kay June Limpot will ensue. That'll be the first foul against the main man. Tsaka kinito, meron tayong bagong bibigay na award at the end of the game, of course, yung Super Vulcasil Tapal King. At of course, ang Super Vulcasil nagbabalik as one of our sponsors dito sa Bayan ng Superstars, and we will have that award at the end of the game kasama na ng ating iba pang mga awards katulad ng No Fear Slam Dunk. As we take a look at the Batang Red Bull bench, one familiar face there. Kilala natin yan, si Andy Howe, assistant team manager. Katabi siya nung shaven na si Roel Nadurata, ngayon ang assistant coach ng Batang Red Bull. Tap out.
Alam mo, partner, we also have to give credit to Mr. George Chua, no, the team owner of Batang Red Bull, bringing this franchise to the PBA and doing a great job inspiring his boys to play their guts out. No? At ang kanilang team manager na si Tony Chua.
Standing
coaching
up.
Staff and all the front office personnel of Batang Red Bull.
Less than a minute remaining. Limpot, kinarga ang bola. Oh, what a move. Bit niya. Sa kanyang balik o sa kanyang braso yung bola. Getting away from Devon Harp, and the lead is up to 7 points now with 35 seconds remaining. Tugade. He has not showed a thing. Laban kay Menezes. Now he goes up. Finally gets a basket.
Partner, medyo napabayaan yun ni Verhel Menezes. Nice fadeaway, partner, but he was too close to the basket for Verhel Menezes to play him that loose. Dapat yun talagang didikitan.
14 seconds na lamang po ang nalalabi sa first half. Ginebra on top by 5, trying to take the last crack at the basket.
Ito, kita mo,
4 seconds.
Widely scattered.
Wala na.
Yung offense.
And that'll do it para sa ating first 24 minutes ng opening day ng 25th year of the PBA. Barangay Ginebra behind the big three. Limpot, Menezes, and David combining for a 5-point lead after the first 24 minutes laban sa bagong saltang Batang Red Bull. A lot of things will happen at the half. Diyan lang po kayo sa pagbabalik ng inyong Bayan ng Superstars.